Can you hear that? The weather is terrible here today. Like, what a day to have something so exciting happen, at least to me anyway. So a couple of months ago, I got this email from this blog that I'm subscribed to, and it had a discount code for Zaycon Fresh. Now, I've seen Zaycon Fresh on YouTube. I've never heard of it before, but it's always like places like in Utah and stuff like that. So I didn't think it was available in my area. But out of curiosity, I clicked it because the chicken breast for first-time buyers was only 99 cents a pound. You have to buy 40 pounds of it, but still a great deal. So I clicked on it thinking, oh my gosh, it's going to tell me, no search is found. So I put in my zip code, and sure enough, it came up that they were going to have a drop-off on April 16 in a town 25 minutes away from me. So I jumped on that deal right away. I'm like really excited. I haven't even seen it. I pulled up and they put it in my trunk. So I'm going to go home now, get it out, see what it's all about. And we'll take it from there. And they also sent me an email too about a special on bacon. I want to say it was $1.99 a pound or $2.99 a pound. I'm not sure. I will check and let you know. So I jumped on that deal too, and I forgot how many packages. I'll check on that too. But I use bacon, but not a whole lot of it. So what I did with that is I asked a few family members if they wanted to go in on it. Wait a minute. If they wanted to go in on it with me. Yeah, I was saying that right. So yeah, I got three other family members who were interested in that, who were I haven't had my coffee yet, guys, who were interested in the offer. That's coming in May. So think about that. Look it up. I was surprised. Maybe it's in your area too. We will see what the quality is. I've heard just great things about it, so I'm like really excited. I recently did a freezer purge, and I really haven't stocked up on meats yet. So I think this will be a great way to keep inventory of what I have, and not have to buy for a while, and do really well with like freezer meals and stuff like that. So I think it's going to be a really great experience. I will have the link in my description box. There's a discount for first-time buyers on the chicken breast. Make sure you wait for the 99-cent deal, because it comes up once in a while. They'll do other sales like $1.49, $1.79 a pound. But why do that? If you're a first-time customer, then you might as well wait for the 99-cent deal. I'm sure they'll have it soon enough. So click on that and get yourself started. And yeah, let's see what the rest of the day has to hold with all this chicken. There it is. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Here's the box. Let's see what's in here. That looks like a lot of chicken. So this is what we ended up with. We have 5 packages in this one big bag of 2 breasts in each, and there's 2 bags. And then this bag, there is 3 bags in here with 3 breasts. And then I have this one. All this is going to go down in the freezer downstairs, and then this one I'm going to keep up here, which has 2 breasts. So altogether I think I had 33, 34 breasts. And then here I have 3 breasts that I didn't package up because I'm going to be making that for dinner tomorrow. So that bacon is $2.99 a pound. It comes in 36 pounds, so you'd have to order 36 pounds. So that's good, like I said, to place an order with family, friends, co-workers, somebody from church, some groups you belong to for only $2.99. I think that's a great deal. And that'll do it for this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.